Two senators have welcomed the Office of the Solicitor General or OSG's filing of the petition to cancel the birth certificate of suspended Bamban-Tarlac Mayor Alice Guo. Senate Deputy Minority Leader Rizon Taveros, who chairs the committee investigating Guo's alleged ties to Philippine offshore gaming operator or POGO, says the OSG's move is only right and just, as the Senate's inquiry revealed that Guo's birth certificate is irregular. For the lawmaker, Guo is already backed into a corner, advising her to expose the big bosses behind the illegal POGO operations in the country. Hontiveros further urged Guo to face the Senate inquiry and reveal the truth. Senator Sherwin Gatchalian also commended the OSG for its action. He also urges the concerned government agencies to cancel Guo's passport and other identification cards.
I congratulate OSG. So pag na-cancel yan, may domino effect na eh. Yung kanyang co-warranto, susunod na yan para naman matanggal siya sa kanyang pwesto. At the same time, dapat i-cancel ng DFA yung passport ni Alice Guo dahil kung na-cancel na yung birth certificate niya, yung pinaka-basis ng pagkuha niya ng passport ay cancelado na. At yung kanyang national ID rin, dahil ang dami niyang dokumento na nagsasabi doon na Filipino siya, dapat i-cancel na rin siya.
In a statement, Guo's legal counsel, attorney Stephen David, says they have received the Senate subpoena for the continuation of the Senate's investigation on July 10, Wednesday. However, he cannot confirm for now if the mayor can physically attend the inquiry due to her health condition. In the previous hearing, Guo sent a letter to the Senate panel explaining her absence, citing the impact of prolonged stress and high level of anxiety to her physical and mental health. Gatchalian reminds Guo that she has to attend the Senate probe or she will be cited in contempt and ordered arrested.
Yan ang typical excuse naman ng mga guilty. No? May sakit, anxiety, hindi makahinga. Pero nung nagsisinungaling siya sa Senado, wala siyang anxiety. Dire-diretso yung pagsisinungaling niya. Wala sa kanya magsinungaling. So, nakokonsensya niyan. So, hindi ako naniniwala na nagkaka-anxiety siya at this point.
Jorge Delgado, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people. We give glory to God.